Exciting, groundbreaking news. Scientists have just made a stunning discovery, a planet orbiting the closest star to our solar system. This planet, Proxima B, lies just about 4 light-years away from Earth, making it the nearest exoplanet that could potentially support life. But what makes Proxima B so incredibly fascinating? This rocky world could have the right conditions, including surface water, to support life as we know it. And this discovery has scientists and space enthusiasts all over the world buzzing with excitement. Proxima B orbits Proxima Centauri, a small star located just a stone's throw away in cosmic terms, only 4 light-years from our Sun. That makes this discovery even more extraordinary. Proxima B is not only the closest exoplanet to Earth, but it's also the first Earth-like planet found within the habitable zone, the Goldilocks zone, of a Sun-like star. This zone is critical because it's the sweet spot where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist, and where life could potentially thrive. For years, scientists have speculated that there are planets out there with the right conditions to support life. We've discovered planets that seem to be the right size and in the right temperature range, possibly even with water. But now, with Proxima B, we have a real contender. This planet is a rocky world, estimated to be about 1.3 times the mass of Earth. It's in the Goldilocks zone, which means it could be warm enough to sustain liquid water, one of the key ingredients for life. The discovery of Proxima B also brings up the exciting possibility that we may one day travel there. While it's 4 light-years away, a staggering 25 trillion miles, with advancements in space travel technology, scientists are hopeful that reaching this distant world could be a reality by the end of this century. Imagine, a whole new world right on our cosmic doorstep. However, there's more to this story than just a rocky planet in a distant solar system. Proxima B is tidally locked, meaning that one side of the planet always faces its star, while the other side remains in perpetual darkness. This fascinating feature creates a planet with a stark contrast between its light and dark sides. For years, scientists believed the dark side of Proxima B was a cold, lifeless wasteland, uninhabitable due to its constant shadow. But recent observations have thrown that assumption into question. Something truly unexpected is happening. Astronomers have detected faint emissions coming from the dark side of Proxima B. These emissions, though incredibly weak, appear to be unlike any natural starlight. They have a unique signature, suggesting they might not be from natural phenomena but possibly from artificial sources. Could these faint lights be coming from an alien civilization? Could they be a product of some advanced technology that we've never seen before? The idea that these emissions are signs of intelligent life is truly mind-blowing. If these emissions are artificial, it could mean that the inhabitants of Proxima B have developed technology capable of illuminating the dark side of their world, where perpetual night reigns. This is a major breakthrough in the search for extraterrestrial life. Just like city lights on Earth can tell us about the social and economic landscape of our planet, the emissions from Proxima B could give us crucial clues about the nature of its inhabitants. How advanced are they? How do they manage energy? What kind of civilization are they? This discovery could provide us with a window into an entirely new form of life, far beyond what we've ever imagined. But what exactly are these emissions? Could they be coming from artificial lighting systems that help sustain life on the dark side? Just as Earth uses electricity for everything from powering street lights to running homes and businesses, Proxima B's inhabitants could rely on similar systems to stay warm and illuminated. These emissions could be a sign of a society with highly advanced energy management technology, perhaps harnessing energy from sources like solar panels or nuclear fusion reactors. But there's a catch: detecting these faint emissions isn't as easy as it sounds. Proxima B lies so far away that even the most advanced telescopes struggle to pick up these weak signals. Cosmic radiation and solar flares from Proxima Centauri, the star around which Proxima B orbits, can interfere with our ability to isolate the signals. Yet, thanks to remarkable advancements in telescope technology, we are making incredible progress. Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, and future instruments such as the Large Infrared Telescope, LIR, are designed to capture extremely faint signals, particularly in the infrared spectrum, which is critical for detecting emissions from artificial lights. These next-generation telescopes can focus on very specific wavelengths of light, which means they can distinguish between natural starlight and the unique signature of artificial light. Using these tools, scientists can study Proxima B's emissions in greater detail, potentially revealing whether or not they are a sign of an intelligent civilization. The infrared sensitivity of these instruments is key. It means they can detect heat radiating from the planet, even from light years away. Any artificial lights on Proxima B would give off heat, and scientists could use this heat signature to determine whether the lights are artificial or natural. Yet, we must also keep in mind that there are natural phenomena that could produce similar emissions. For instance, volcanic activity or the planet's extreme geothermal processes could generate glowing emissions in the planet's atmosphere. The magnetic interactions between Proxima B and its star could also lead to aurora-like phenomena, similar to the shimmering lights we see in Earth's polar regions. So, while the emissions are intriguing, we must be careful not to jump to conclusions too quickly. These emissions could very well be the result of volcanic or atmospheric activity, not necessarily the product of intelligent life. But that's what makes this discovery so fascinating. The mystery is far from solved. Even if we're detecting emissions from Proxima B, we still don't know whether they are natural or artificial. The key to unlocking this mystery lies in understanding the planet's atmosphere. If Proxima B has an atmosphere, it could act as a filter, absorbing or scattering certain wavelengths of light, which would make it more difficult to detect the emissions. The composition of the atmosphere, whether it's made up of gases like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or more exotic compounds, could affect how light behaves as it travels through it. The way the atmosphere interacts with the emissions could give us valuable clues about the planet's history, and its potential to support life. The implications of this discovery are enormous. If we find out that the emissions from Proxima B's dark side are artificial, it could point to the existence of a highly advanced civilization. A civilization capable of controlling their environment on a scale far beyond what we can even imagine. It could reveal an entire society's technological advancements, their energy systems, and possibly even their way of life. Imagine being able to read the city lights of an alien planet, learning about their energy usage, their social structure, and their values, just by analyzing the faint glow emanating from a distant world. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, the future of space exploration is more thrilling than ever. With the help of advanced instruments like JWST and LIR, we are on the verge of unlocking some of the most profound discoveries humanity has ever made. Could Proxima B be the home of a civilization that is millions of years ahead of us? Or could the emissions be a natural phenomenon, hiding the true nature of the planet's environment? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain, we are standing on the edge of something monumental. This discovery could change everything we know about life in the cosmos. If you're as excited as we are about the potential of this discovery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates as we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe.